So it's a great opportunity just to sort of give you some sort of real life experiences from this data. So we've been hearing about the sort of massive steps forward, but I'm going to show you what we've found in Birmingham from the NHS, not PHE perspective. So it took over 100 years to go from Robert Koch's discovery of TB to the first sequence, and things go faster and faster. So less than 20 years after that, we've actually got this almost at the bedside. So we've gone from culture median, LJ culture median to sequencing, and the labs have changed. This was the Birmingham lab in 2014, and this is the lab today, which I think bears a striking resemblance to Shuri's lab in Wakanda. But what's actually changed? Well, smears. There's a service standard to get a smear within a day. So what do we actually see? We get a smear within probably 24 to 48 hours, same day if you get your sample in early. This is what was happening in 2014. That's what is happening in 2018. In 2014, we had Gene Expert, and that gave us results within 24 to 48 hours. Now we've got Gene Expert Ultra, which gives results in the same time. Gene Expert Ultra is a bit better. It's a bit more sensitive, better on smear negative samples. Probably does quite a few more false positive calls, but we can deal with that. So that hasn't really changed too much.